here's something that's interesting that I want to say after I finish this, but I don't have that professional industry experience to evaluate, is this good or is it not, right? And so the more somebody's experienced, the more they'd be able to say, oh yes, that's really well done. But ultimately coding gets down to something's pretty subjective. It's not objective, right? Like math, 2 plus 3 objectively is 5. That's the way we've designed it, you know. It makes sense, right? Like that's how I count. I've got 5. That's objective. But subjectively, programming has been this thing of evolution for how do we create better programs and how do we architect them. And it's been a learning process of some of the best minds in humanity, going from spaghetti code, procedural, structured, object-oriented, and now Go with its emphasis on types and composition, you know, is a way that people approach Go a lot. And so there isn't always a right answer, and you know, and there's always trade-offs. There's trade-offs. So it's hard to say, right? Like what was done well, but it all makes sense, and it seems really well structured, and the trade-offs between code generation to avoid repetitive redundancy. And a lot of the time that you've spent has been figuring out how to build this, right? Like now that you understood it, if you were to step back day one, come in and build it, like we're talking about 3 months or 5 months. And like, you know, if some of that stuff was already there, like in your portfolio, and you could just pull it out and say, here is the thing that goes from Goa to App Engine context, you put that there, right?
Yeah, I spent like a week getting the code that getting the generations, not generation scripts, the GitLab scripts required to make it so it can actually generate Goa before trying to deploy to App Engine.
Yeah, a week.
It's like, but now that it's there, it's copy paste. It's known.
Right. Yeah, so some really pretty useful examples.
Yeah, some of the things like the database plugin for Goa. I mean, that's something I almost want to just open source. It's just generally useful.
I think that would be a really good open source, and also to make a little training or little videos about it. Yeah. Cool.